Not a happy snake. Good morning. Welcome to another high desert adventure. I'm Heath, and thank you for joining me. Today, I'm looking to find another hilltop ruin. I think it's on top of this hill up here. I found it on Google Earth, and it looks like an interesting one. So we're going to head out. I actually think I can see a rock wall right up there on the peak. I don't know if you can see it up there. If I find something, I'll stop and show you. These are very odd marks on this rock. They certainly look like they could have been grinding stones. Eons ago, though. Many, many, many years ago. Because there's lichen all over them. This is absolutely a manzanita grove. As far up as you can see. They're starting to bloom here. I did a video a few weeks ago showing some manzanita flowers, but that was at a quite lower elevation. We're about 7,000 feet here, and the manzanita are just starting to bloom. It's about 69 degrees right now. It's pretty warm. I'm going to try to bushwhack my way to the top. This is going to be a miserable climb, so I may not really come back to you that often. Maybe I'll try to catch you at the top, or I hope I catch you at the top. And it's not too breezy right now, so we will be flying our drone. This is a beautiful spot. This is really a beautiful spot. Now, down here is a wash that has some water in it. And it runs down through along here and over in that direction. So this is where they would be getting water if they were staying in this ruin up here. Okay, so I'm gonna put you up and I'm gonna bushwhack some, try to get to the top. Well, I just kind of broke out of the manzanitas and I wanted to show you this view. I can just now start seeing a whole bunch of stacked rocks. These have been here a while. There's lichen on everything. It looks like it's at the very peak. I'm going to take a quick break, and then I'm going to walk around the outside of this and see if there's an easy way in. Oh yeah. That's pretty steep. All right, can you see the pottery? There we go. Proof that people use this for living a long time ago. There's another one right here. Little tiny piece. Excellent. Now I'll keep my eyes on the ground. Oh man, can you imagine waking up to this every morning? That's $100 million view. I'm so glad this is a national forest. Oh, it's amazing. So, putting on my snake gaiters for the trip down the hill after flying the drone. I wasn't able to get inside this ruin because there was no way of getting in there without climbing over the walls. But while I was sitting here, right here is a piece of pottery buried in the sand. And, oh, here's another piece of pottery. Wow, there's pieces of pottery all over the place here. Oh, very cool. Look at that. That definitely looks like obsidian to me. I don't know if was an arrowhead or some sort of tool or just a mistake, but it was laying right here in the dirt. Nice. Wow. Oh, there's another piece of pottery down there. Oh, two pieces of pottery down there. Very cool. Well, that was a very cool adventure. The ruin was not huge, but it was definitely a ruin. Absolutely no way in. I could have climbed over the walls, but it wasn't worth it, so I flew the drone instead. Got, I hope, some nice visual. Even though the ruin wasn't spectacular, the views that it had are just unbelievable. So I'm heading down. If I find anything else, I'll let you know.